So we're still in this funk in Bitcoin, in what I think is a wave 4 correction. And what's really unusual about this time is normally if Bitcoin had a big bullish run like this, and then this really, when you think about it, bullish sideways consolidation. When we had our big bullish run, the close was here. We've never even violated the close. We've just consolidated and really grind, in a higher kind of grind. This is, not unusual for a wave 4. They can take the form of triangles and wedges as well, without giving back much in terms of price. But what they tend to do is last an equal amount of time to wave 2 if they don't do a price retracement. Now, so normally a price retrace of wave 3 would be 38.2. Sometimes though, you just sit on the 236 fib, and in this case, that's what we're doing. We're just sitting on this 236 fib. So we know if we lose it, if we have a loss in Bitcoin of this support level, or in Bitstamp that's 50.83, then we will drop to 47.50. But otherwise, we're pretty stable here. What's really unusual about this time is normally this kind of price action in Bitcoin would, and then this quiet consolidation would start an alt rally, and there's no alt rally. And so you kind of go, well, what the heck has happened to ETH? Well, yesterday we talked about the bullish pattern in ETH, not really nice 38.2 fib retrace, and an ABC correction back to these lovely daily moving averages. So we're looking for this bullish reversal now in ETH. I bought ETH yesterday. In fact, apart from a few, bags that we're hoping will come back, we're in ETH basically. So higher low overnight, and a rally above the 4-hour 20 moving average is pretty positive. It's not a reversal yet, but I am anticipating a move higher in Ethereum. It's CCI is about to cross green. That would be normal because we've crossed the 20 moving average. Heba says ETH tethers trading quite differently. Okay, let's see ETH tether at Binance. So we'll go to our daily chart first off and see how we look, because we're still sitting on the 50 moving average, pretty well supported, I think, in ETH. If I take fibs retraces from this swing, we're still sitting on the 38.2 from here. From the low, there's no fib support, and if I look for the same bullish pattern in ETH tether, I'm going to go from this high to this low. We'll go to here. Yeah, it's a 60 in ETH tether. This is a 618 retrace instead of an ABC, but it's still, for me, that's still, a bullish pattern, and we're sideways. We're a bit underneath the 4-hour 200 moving average, aren't we? So this could very well end up being a bear flag if we can't recover this 200 moving average. And that it could end up being quite nasty. If we look at ETH and Coinbase, many times in this uptrend, we would have a rally and then a pullback to this 50 moving average and continue to go. An ABC pattern. So we've had a rally, we've got an ABC pattern back to the 50 moving average. So as long as we hold on around this 50 moving average and we're all trading above this 200, I am still going to be looking for longs, I think. Unless this is a big fake out move above the 200 moving average. So in Coinbase, we're just looking at exchanges where we get away from the tether FUD. I don't know if it's FUD or if it's real, but we just kind of want to be away from the noise of it. It's pretty much an ABC correction here as well. We've missed it by a couple of ticks. So, and if we just end up, sometimes you buy something at what you think is a really good level. So daily 50 moving average, ABC pullback. That's a really good level. Sometimes you buy it and what happens is what we're seeing here, which is it doesn't, what you want to see it make a base like this. So double bottom, high, low, and then you want to see a strong move. And then you want to see a shallow pullback, because that's the look of a trend reversal. if you don't get that, if what you get instead is this, which is, choppy ABC, and then we fell at this 200 moving out, and then we roll over here, then that's still corrective. We're still in a downtrend. So that would be then, I would connect these lows and say, right, another leg lower if they break. So sometimes, though, all you can do is identify the good levels and put your money on and see what happens. So far we're grinding higher in an Eth, and let's see.